Hi Glamours. Today I'm sharing some super simple and natural tips that will help you look pretty. No chemicals, no makeup, just natural glow. Let's get started. 1. Accepting yourself. Accepting yourself means embracing who you are, your looks, your personality, your flaws, your strengths, without wishing to be someone else. Accept your skin tone, face shape, body size, hair texture, scars, or stretch marks. You are not a mistake. Every part of you tells your story. Don't compare your real life to someone's filtered life. Beauty is not about perfection. It's about being real. Say these words to yourself daily. I am enough. I may not be perfect, but I am real. I respect myself, and I love myself. 2. Your personality. Some girls are loud, some are quiet, some are soft, others are bold. Be proud of who you are. You don't need to change your nature to fit in. 3. Natural skincare. Use natural ingredients like aloe vera, honey, and rose water. Use aloe vera to calm your skin and keep it fresh. Use honey to add glow and smoothness to your face. Use rose water to tone, refresh, and hydrate your skin. Use these daily for soft, clear, and glowing skin, naturally. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Water keeps your skin hydrated from the inside, giving you a fresh and radiant glow. 5. Take care of your mind-body. Self-care is self-love. Eat well, move your body, rest, and do things that make you happy. It shows you value yourself. So girls, natural beauty is all about self-care and positivity. Try these tips daily and watch the magic happen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips. Bye Glamours.